I know people keep telling you that you need 10,000 followers to start making money on Instagram. Guys, this is a lie. Believe me. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Build Your Pinto. In this channel, we talk about making money online, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. So if you are new, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again any beautiful and amazing content we are about to release every single week. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. So let's start. The first method is using affiliate marketing. So what really affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing basically means that you will promote other people's products and they will pay you a commission every time somebody buys from your link or using the link that they provide to you. So one of the places that you can basically be part of this affiliates, you can go to Amazon, you can go to Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you an example right now using Clickbank. So this is Clickbank, and what you see on your left is all the categories that you can promote products from. So let's say I have my account is in let's say into fitness or maybe education or different type. Let's select here education. I'm going to education. It will list all the products in the education industry that you can be partner, that you can promote all the products. One of the things that you need to do, first of all, is to sort results by gravity. It means that like there are more people promoting this type of products, so it means that you can also make money, and it also means that if they are promoting, they are making money, which is good. So after that, you click this button here, promote. You will see that you can make an average $19, which is very good. And if you have people that are really passionate about your products or know you better, they can really buy these products. And then generate the link, copy this link. After that, what you need to do also, you copy the link, you select the product, you copy the link, and then you go to Bitly, you create a link to shorten this link, which will be much comprehensive to your follower. Let's say this product is called education, right? I'm going to call it here education. I'm just going to put education 1, education 1. And then I type here anything I want. It's not really important that the tags education is already there. I'm going to put education 17, and then it must be saved. No, let me put education 17. It doesn't matter the name now. And then it's saved. And then I copy this link. You go to your Instagram, you go to your settings, or edit profiles, better edit profiles, and then where is the website, you pass this link. Okay, pass this link and then just submit, and it will be saved. As you may see right now, it's already saved on this account. Here is the link. So now this is one of the way and the easiest way. Now to make this work better, because many people are gonna click on this link, if there are people like that, they really knows you, and for instance, if it's a theme account or maybe a personal account, because not everybody that will click on this link will basically buy. My recommendation to you is use kind of a gateway or some landing page that can intermediate, that can be you can collect their email, or maybe you can collect also their messengers. So one of the way to do that, also I'm not going to show you in this video how to do that. You can use Clickbank. All the software that I'm talking about here, I'm going to leave the link below so that you can go through and try it out. If you have 14 days, in these 14 days, if you really have 1,000 followers that knows you and maybe want to buy from you, you can still use this. And then the other method, if you don't really want to build any pages and landing pages, the much easier would be using ManyChat. ManyChat is way easier, guys. You don't need that much experience, you don't need that much education on landing pages and other stuff. So you build your own ManyChat. Means that, and also one thing very important is that Messenger, they have a high open rate. It's way better than email marketing. It means that your open rate can go up 90%, which is very, very good. So as you may see here, I don't use my account that much for now, but I'm gonna be using, and I have 43 subscribers, and all these people that you see here, they all came for, or they are part of my ManyChat account. It means that every time that I want to send a message to them. All of them they will receive, or maybe I can link them in different segments, which is amazing. I mean, I repeat, which is amazing. I can send a broadcast, I can send a message weekly, I can keep selling them more and more and more products. All these people here, they are part of my ManyChat. The email, and you say, oh, whatever, I don't have to open, because you receive a lot of email every day. But Messenger, you normally open the message, which is very important. So I encourage you to start using ManyChat. I'm going to leave the link below. You can use the link below, and it's free, by the way. The other method that you can basically implement also to start making money on Instagram with 1,000 followers is using this app called influencers, and this is also called brand deals. And if you meet the requirement that they are asking for, you can promote their products and they pay you like a lot of money, $1,000 or more. It depends. So let's open this one. Let's say this one, the requirements are here. Influencer with 20 and 50 years old. They are doing it on Instagram with, let's say, minimum 3,000 followers and the maximum 500,000 followers. So you read the requirements. This one is kind of Latin music, and you can go through reading and how it goes through. And if you see that this is some kind of a deal that you want to get into, you click create submission, and then a post or carousel or a story, right? You will see here. You will see the do's and the don'ts. Please follow the do's and don't follow the don'ts, which is self-explanatory if you want to start making money and be accepted by these brands. My third recommendation, guys, will be, or my fourth recommendation will be a dropshipper. With dropshipping basically means that you will create a store, and in this store you don't own inventory. Every time somebody buys something for you, you will get their money and you will go to your supplier, pay your supplier, and your supplier will ship the products to your customer, which is very, 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 very good. You don't have to own any inventory. And let's say you go to AliExpress, which is one of the biggest places that people normally use. Let's say we're gonna sell this blender, right? Let's say blender portable, and you can sort by orders. That means that people are really buying, and you can see this product right here. It is being sold by, they are selling around $16. So it means that you can use this product, this product on your store, and market as you can market on your store by let's say $30 or $35 or maybe $40. It depends. You need to see other stores out there doing, or what's the margin of that, and you list it and use the same strategy. You put the link on your bio. Again, put the link on your bio. And after that, every time somebody buys from you, or you can go to your store and say, guys, please, I have this product, so you can try it out. And every time somebody buys from you, or every time somebody uses your link, they buy from you, you get money. You collect the money, and you go to your supplier. You let's say you pay 16, and then you keep another 16 or maybe 20. It really depends. As you see, I'm also doing that, and this is one of the best way as well to start making money with like free traffic. You don't have to pay anything. As you see this link right here, one of my stores, and got like free traffic. Instagram, which is amazing. The last one will be with shoutouts. With shoutouts, what does that mean? Basically, you would go to, because you don't have that much amount of followers, that people come out to you and reach out to you and say, hey, look, I wanna, can you promote my products, my service? So you don't have that much followers. You need to be the one. You need to reach out to people, or to companies, or to brands. What you basically do, you go to people on Instagram. Let's say you find people in your niche, or companies in your niche, or maybe on your city, and then you reach out to them. Let's say I'm into fitness. You go to companies in your area, for example, or maybe across the globe. It doesn't really matter. And then you reach out to them and say, hey, look, I have my Instagram account, and I have people like follow me in the fitness industry. Can you please, I can promote your products to my audience. How much you can pay me? Or just be simple. Don't try to complicate anything, and they will be much likely to you know, they will be more likely to do business with you because you are small influencer, and brands nowadays they want to do that with small influencer. So this is one of the beautiful methods, and as you grow you can start also selling your own products, which is a way better. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I see you on the next video with much value. I see you. Subscribe.